These are trending viral videos, and this one alone hit over 12 million views.
New York, pause. Then who dropped a candy-coated beat? From stiff steps to sweet sync, watch strangers groove.
Most creators spend hours trying to copy a viral video style, and it still doesn't look right. But I just found a tool called Pippit that completely changed how I make content. What if you could just clone any viral video? I'm about to show you exactly how. Pippit, a ByteDance product, can now clone the creative DNA of any video and lets you recreate any viral video from an online reference. Same viral impact, faster to launch. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Here's the truth. Going viral isn't about talent, it's about structure. Every viral hit follows a proven formula. The hook, the pacing, the audio. It's a blueprint. The problem? Copying it manually takes hours, and it never hits the same way. There's a smarter way to do this. This is Pippit's reference video feature, and here's exactly how to use it. First, open Pippit and go to the video module. Inside the video module, click the reference video button, the light bulb icon. A pop-up prompt appears. This is where you add your reference video. I'm uploading this viral storytelling hook. It's been getting millions of views. Paste the link or upload the file. Pippit analyzes the creative DNA, the hook, pacing, effects, visual flow, and applies it to your content. Look at this, original reference on the left. Pippit's output on the right using my footage. Same energy, same structure, brand new content, under a minute.
We've been expecting you. I thought I was alone.
Let me show you two more real examples. I found a top-performing Instagram ad with a cinematic product reveal. Fed it into Pippit, swapped in my product. Professional quality ad, 60 seconds. No editor needed.
Next, shield your skin every single day. Our high-performance SPF 50 provides broad-spectrum protection, even for the most delicate skin. And for an extra boost...
And for faceless channel creators, I grabbed a trending storytelling hook format and let Pippit clone the pacing, text placement, and audio structure. Look at how clean that is.
If you're a chocolate lover, you are not ready for this. Look at this incredible chocolate assortment. This is a dream come true. First up, this chocolate-covered soft cake. The outside is so crisp, and the inside is like a cloud. And this cookie, oh my goodness. It's perfectly fudgy and so rich, I'm obsessed. This is pure chocolate heaven. Which one would you grab first? If you're a chocolate lover, you are not ready for this. Look at this incredible chocolate assortment.
3 steps. Find a video. Paste it into Pippit. Generate. No editing experience. No hours lost. Pippit is completely free. Link spans with new credits every single day. Sign up for Pippit right now. It's completely free and there's no waitlist to get started. If you've ever struggled to recreate a viral video or match a specific style, this is exactly what you've been looking for. Just click the link in my bio and try the reference video feature today. It lets you take any viral video and turn it into your own version faster and way easier. Seriously, don't overthink it. Go try it for yourself and see what happens when you stop guessing and start following a proven structure. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Link in bio. Try Pippit for free.